I'm going to show you how to glue baste your English paper piecing paper to your fabric. Place it in the middle of your fabric, and then you take your glue pen, and I really like these Soline glue pens. They come with the blue glue, so you can actually see where you're gluing. Start at any point, and the goal is to just put it on the edge of the paper and not onto the fabric. You just want to kind of go like this, and you can see it's not hitting the edge of the fabric at all, and then just fold it up and finger press. Always turn the same direction. I'm turning clockwise. You can choose to turn counterclockwise. Okay, that's a pretty big gob of glue, so I'm going to just take that off there. And then we'll fold this one down. You just want a little bit of glue on there. You don't need much at all. It holds really well. You can see just a little bit of glue there. Keep it as close to where it'll be where the fabric turns, and you don't want it to be in the middle, and you don't want it to be on the fabric. You want it to be on the paper template. There we go. I've got a big old glob on there, but I think we can work with it. Okay, and then here's my last. Just a little bit of glue there, and fold it. And there we go. Now I usually go and take it and press it with a hot iron also to make it flatter. And here's one that I've done that with, so you can see it's a lot flatter to be able to work with, and it helps all the ends stay down.